I'm proud that I'm constantly evolving, but treating myself with grace every step of the way. Say when I was younger, I think I would hold myself up to such a high standard that even as a teenager, I think medyo lumabas ng pagka-perfectionist ko. And I think it stole a lot of my joy because I wasn't able to celebrate my wins because I was already looking on to the next thing. So siguro, like, I'm really proud of where I've been able to bring myself, being able to live a life that I genuinely can say that I really love. And I've treated myself with a lot of grace along the way. Yung pinaka-top of mind, because I just recorded an episode of my podcast with Nicole Cordobes, who's a best friend of mine. We're talking about lessons that we've learned over our decade-long friendship. We're 10 years best friends this year. And she told me that she really admires how, even though there's so many ways that I could have been swayed in my career in terms of what's uso or what's trending, she told me that she really appreciates how stubborn I am in the vision that I have for myself. And I like that compliment because I think it speaks to what I've always valued as a core value, which is to be true to myself. And it's a very catchphrase, like, stay true to yourself. But in the industry that we're in, I think sobrang valuable na core value siya. Like, to be able to orientate yourself because we are under so much pressure. There's so many people around us. Even in being supported will tell us, oh, you should do this, or you should look like this, or dress like this, talk like this, take those projects, do this. So if you don't have that sense of self that's intact, I think it can be very easy to be taken with the flow or whatever is an impression upon you. But she just said that she admires that I'm stubborn. So siguro good stubbornness.
Yeah.
Thank you.